And here we go. The plan for today is to see how this might look sitting up here. Currently, my plan is these welders will move off, but I'm not against adding a shelf on the side and make this a long carrier for the welders as well as that. The rollers underneath there are plenty heavy enough, the frame's plenty heavy enough to do it. That could be a vise up here. I'd have my welders, I had to have a nice little metal working station, so we're going to see how that works. First things first, I'm looking at probably a 21-inch wide, so that was 20 and a half, so just about perfectly. It's going to sit right here, and I don't think it's much more than 20 inches there. 20 inches is going to bring it back to here. So for right now, I can put this up here, leave my welders in place, and if they become an issue, I'll move them off. But for right now, they're going to stay on here, and this gets its new home. I'll have plenty of room for dies and things like that in the back of it, plus tools in the front. So it's be a nice compact little toolbox. Now getting to this to bolt it down may be the problem. When I built this originally, the toolbox was put in. Yeah. So I can get to this side with no problem. Don't think, well, I might be able to. Yeah, I don't need a brake, but I may not be able to, but I'll have to come back to this far side. So when I set it up here, I'm going to hug this side. That'll give me enough. I should be able to drill holes into at least that back one. I might just have to put a threaded or a lag bolt right here to steady that. I don't think soft foot's going to be a big problem with this. Regardless of how we look at it. Next question is going to be get it up on there. Pull this off, the shit's not falling and hitting me. I know this sways from the beer and the truck, kind of. I mean, this is all stuff I need for the truck. If I want to build projects, you need tools to do it. But this is about setting up your shop to do it the way you want it. Around, get up underneath of it. About right. Now, that means I'm having to reach up here for it, but that's okay. Because anything I'm going to be working on will now be at a more high level. Yeah. Worst case is I may take this and add a bend to it to bring it down where I need to be and make a new piece here. So again, maybe I get a solid bar. And then permanent hood here, and instead of having to go way up, I bend the thing so it's more like right here. Give it a little S bend, so I don't have to go much higher than that. Regardless of how you look at it, it should be much better. And in all honesty, I could see myself dropping these down, possibly one hole, and drilling new here to get it to the height I need. Right now, it's okay. I can deal with if I have to step up onto something to see it. But for right now, I think a much better. Yeah, this puts me right where I need to be to see. It also puts me at eye level if I'm pressing something that's not safe, but I shouldn't be doing that anyway. So. But yeah, I really like this being up on here. So let's get a couple bolts, drill them into this thing. I may be able to. I don't know. I might. Worst thing I can do is drill a hole through that. I'll tell you what, I'm not a huge fan. Where that's hitting on this side, so let's go like that. Yeah. Push it back just a bit. Now I know this will work. Yeah, that way all four of them work. And we'll see what I can get. Exactly what it is. Toolbox is here. Top of that, that's all right. It'll work. I think this one here will actually, yep, that should work. So, there we are. Again, just a little too tall, but it was way too short before, so.